All right, we are out here at our spot to fly today. I got Joey, Chris is here, and of course got myself. They are out there setting up the wings, and the wind is still, look at that flag, so the wind is still a little bit out of the east, which is not the best direction for here, but look at that, the thunderhead way out there. Woo! I'm glad it's way over there. That thing is climbing, but none that way to speak of, that way all the way around. Mainly that. I'm sure it's gonna have to collapse at some point, but man, thing is huge. Okay, Joey's loaded. Big cloud staying over there. Chris is already out there. And clear prop. Now we walk. Look at that wind direction. Are you kidding me? This is not good. Look, I was set up there for the wind, and now right towards Big Mama over there. Dang it. I'm gonna see if I can hand kite this thing a little bit out of his way, maybe. Okay, that's how you do that, people. And away he goes. As long as he doesn't blow my wing, please, sir. Oh, here comes the wind. Oh, maybe he'll set it for me. Well, thank you, Chris. That was awful nice. Complaining. You sat up there. Centered up, making Joey wait, and away we go. He decided to do a forward now that I did one. So if old C. Smith can do one, then he's gonna do one also. Get it going, son. I'm in the perfect video angle right now. Get it going. Ace, friend. You suck. I know he heard that. Not. All right. Now what's he gonna do? Reverse. He didn't like me calling him out on that forward. Oh no, he's turning around. He's gonna try her again. Good man. All right, come on, son. Tired of tarrying around here. You should be going. Oh man, see? Tricked me. I missed it. I can only believe it was beautiful. Alright, so the wind is that direction, but civilization is that way, so I don't know what we're gonna do. Okay, so that cloud formation, that when they bubble up like that, you see it levels off at the top. They get to a certain point, of air temperature, and they just spread out, and they call that an anvil cloud because it looks like an anvil, skinny in the middle, flat on the top. We looked on the radar, and that is actually about 40 miles, maybe 50 miles away, due east of us, moving southeast. So actually that is was sitting right on top of Caddo Mills in the airport when I fly over there in Caddo. It's bumpy. Look at that. I don't know. Yeah, you won't be able to see the grass. This ain't exactly get down low winds. Let's see if I can get down it as I get down low, but see if you can see the grass. I don't know if you can see it blowing. This is not ideal for the type of flying we do down low. Get Joey going in front of us. Oh, there's your YouTube thumbnail right there. So, it is blowing. I've been averaging about 13 miles an hour. But I made it over here. So look at this. This structure here was supposed to be the original facade for the house that they used in the TV show Dallas from the 70s, late 70s, early 80s. But that is it right there. They ended up going with South Fork Ranch over in Parker. And it's funny because this is in Frisco, Texas. So neither one of them are in Dallas, but this was the location they were going to use and opted not to for some reason. I'm not sure. Google it. See what you can find out. Got some Texas Longhorns here. Put an end to this misery. Yeah, Chris does. Just softly. Let's see what Chad can do. I don't know if those bleachers, they've got to cause some turbulence or some rotor, but we're gonna find out. Gosh, this sucks. Oh man. Yeah. It's not fun. Grab it. Bring it down. Nope. What happened? That is not what you're supposed to do. A seasoned pilot like myself making a mockery of this. I wonder if the wind will fix it. Fix it. Fix it. Something. Okay, okay. There we go. That's more like it. Nice. Looking good. His kill switch is not working. You're on your own, Joseph. I got a handful of wing and a motor on my back. But if you're still having trouble in 5 or 10 minutes, I'll come out and help you.
Your hand over the airbox.
Huh?
Airbox feels it really good. Don't pull the plug, pull it.
Son. No, it didn't hurt.
Hand on the airbox, it dies immediately.
It didn't hurt. Well, it seems like it would take a little while.
I can't hear you. I got music blaring in my
Well, then why are you talking to me? Dang it. So, did you have them when you landed?
Well, I don't know, because I had them hooked on my shirt, so they could have fallen off when I landed.
Do we need to refer to the video to see where you landed? It had to be in this area. Hey, there they are. Found them. Found them. You can thank me later.
Right where I landed.
That's all that's left.
That's it. That's what happens when you suck at landing.
When somebody pulls your spark plug cap.
Yep.
All right, boys. So, what'd you think, Chris?
It was pretty trashy all the way up there and all the way back, and trashy on the landing.
Man, it's we flew straight for 30 minutes and got back real quick.
Yep.
But yeah, it sucked. It wasn't. I mean, it was still a flight. They always say a flight's a flight, but it was not what we had last night.
Like
and I didn't video last night, but Chris and I went, and it was excellent. So we thought we were going to get a little taste of that tonight. Joey wanted a little taste of it.
Yep, didn't get it.
No dice. So either way,
I squirted lemon in my mouth.
Joey's the bad luck, that's why we didn't get
the common denominator.
Yeah,
Chris and I
true.
did fine. Add the Joey factor.
It's true.
Damn. All right. Good job, boys. We out.
Died.